MobileLink is the free mobile app that gives you and your dealer direct access to your home backup generator and propane tank from anywhere, 24/7. You simply connect your generator to the internet via a Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and you're able to monitor your device's status from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Access information like the current operating status, maintenance schedule, propane tank level, and more. Customize your system to send you regular alerts of your generator status, or you can upgrade to have those alerts sent directly to a professional when service or maintenance is needed. MobileLink delivers peace of mind that your home's power is protected, no matter where you are. To get started, download the MobileLink app today. For more information about MobileLink, talk to your Generac dealer. MobileLink, the reliable and convenient remote monitoring system for your home backup generator.